If men knew more about hair transplantation, there would be no bald men walking on the streets. Or at least not as many. Over 2/3 of men experience some degree of hair loss by the time they turn 60. And in most cases, the hair loss is caused by male pattern baldness. Luckily, there is a way to restore the former density of your hair and regain your self-confidence with a simple, minimally invasive procedure. Hi, I'm János from HairPalace Hair Clinic, and as a patient coordinator, I have accompanied the treatment of more than 1,500 patients in the past 5 years. In today's video, I will tell you all about hair transplants and show you how this simple procedure can transform your life. What is a hair transplant? A hair transplant is a surgical procedure to restore the hair in areas affected by the hair loss. In the first part of the surgery, a surgeon removes healthy hairs from the back or the sides of the head. In the second part, they implant them to where you need them. There are several methods to transplant hairs, such as FUT, FUE, DHI, and neograft. Hair transplants typically take 6 to 8 hours to complete, but there is no overnight hospital stay needed. The procedures are done under local anesthesia. So while you may feel a little discomfort when they numb the scalp, you won't feel any pain during the surgery. While the recovery is quick and typically complication-free, it takes 12 to 15 months to see the complete result. But how can we know for sure that this surgery will work and the implanted hairs won't fall out? As I've mentioned earlier, pattern baldness is responsible for the majority of hair loss. Some people simply have a genetic predisposition to the effects of the DHT hormone. This male sex hormone binds to receptors on the scalp and slowly shrinks hair follicles, leading to hair thinning and eventually baldness. However, hairs on the back and the sides of the head are not affected by the DHT. This is why doctors use these hairs for the transplant. This way, the transplanted hairs will stay in their new place permanently. Hair transplantation can improve the density of your hair, restore your youthful appearance, and give you an invaluable boost to your self-confidence. Today, these procedures are safe and often high success rates, making them an increasingly popular solution for male pattern hair loss. If you want to know more about hair transplants, costs and results, visit hairpalace.co.uk. Have you tried hair transplants or other hair loss treatments before? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.